Vandana Singh, a student of Standard 8, and today I am present here to say my today's speech, which is about Mahavir Jayanti. Mahavir, the 24th and the final Tirthankar of Jainism. He was a religious leader and philosopher who campaigned non-violence and ethical living. Born in 599 BC in Kundalgram near Vaisali, Bihar. He was also considered as the founder of contemporary Jainism. Mahavir taught the people that they can save their soul from the contamination of matter by living a life of extreme asceticism and practicing non-violence toward the living organism. Mahavir, whose birth name was Vardhaman, born in a royal family on the 13th day of rising moon, Tamil Nadu, which corresponds to the March or April in the English calendar, and his birthday is celebrated as Mahavir Jayanti. Actually, this Mahavir Jayanti is celebrated to commemorate the birth of Lord Mahavir and 24th and the last Tirthankar of Jainism, and also to honor his teaching of non-violence and the truth, compassion. Although he also regarded as one of the most important and the scared festival in the community for Jain across the world, as Jainism is an Indian religion that emphasizes asceticism and spiritual purity, self-reliance, although its followers are called Jain. They believe that the soul is external and can be liberated from the cycle of rebirth through strict ethical and spiritual discipline. Jainism do not have a creator God like other religions. Instead, it believes that the universe always existed, and highest truth according to Jainism is represented by the Keval Janna, that they can only ones who can show the path of liberation from the cycle of birth and the death. As Mahavir was the last Tirthankar of Jainism and this era, and revered by Jain as a teacher who achieved this liberation. Thank you. Have a great day.